Hell yeah.
Yo, cuz by Reggie, back with another video, right? If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos, all that extra, right? So, in the world of barbering, I know y'all like hating on my hair. In the world of barbering, right, there are a lot of different products. Everybody's trying to push the culture forward, which is a great thing. Great thing. People are trying to find the best blades, getting different motors, all the good stuff, right? So, Babyliss, if y'all seen my video a couple weeks ago where I talked about their Barber Sonic, the Barber side box, right? The little tackle box. They sent that out, UV lighting, everything. I'll leave the link down below. You can go check that out. But in the midst of sending me that, if y'all watched the beginning, I said they sent me something else. This is what they sent me. The UV foils from Babyliss. They have a single foil, and they have a double foil. I have been using these, but before I get into my full review, I thought, let's do an unboxing. The single foil will be $149, if I'm not mistaken, and then the double foil will be $179. These will be released April 1st, unless something changes, but as of now, they will be released April 1st. 2 new shavers from Babyliss, right? Let's start with the double foil. So we got, this is the packaging. Pretty much the same design. Kills 99.9% of bacteria. Metal housing, USB-C charging, UV cycle, hyperallergenic double foils, 5.5 hours of runtime, 10,000 RPM, corded or cordless. When you buy this, it also comes with a 2-year warranty. So let's get into it. So what this pretty much is their shaver, all metal from Babyliss, but with a UV cycle to clean bacteria off once you turn it off. Of course, still clean off the foils before you close them up and stuff and use them on another client. All right. So you open them up. Here is the double foil. You get looks like a sticker, and then you get a carrying bag for the shaver, and you get a little pamphlet in there. And under there you have the charging cable, USB charging cable, USB-C charging cable as well. Does not come with a block, but that's not, see, sometimes when a tool have USB charging, but that's their main charger, I think those should come with a block. This is not the main, this is not the main charger of the Babyliss shaver. So having a block is not necessary because this is the main thing. Now, still include one, sure, that's fine. But all in all, you still are getting the same metal housing, nice little grip right here, charging port up under there, the USB-C here, and that's the regular charging for the cable. Power button, of course you take it off here. Same build. Same sound, same power. Difference is, once you dust it off and you clean it off, you get the UV sign right there. And what that is a 3-minute run time of the UV lighting. Like if you use the UV boxes and stuff that people used to put the clippers in and stuff, it's the same technology in the shaver. I think that is amazing. In the midst of everybody trying to push something forward, do something new, this is something that we've never seen before. I like it. And of course, it got the automatic shut off. You got it turned on. Boom, you there. Nothing too much As far as performance, great performance. I mean, the weight of this shaver, of course, if you've used the Babyliss shaver before, very smooth, gets it clean just like you want it, right? Let's get into the single. So the single, pretty much the same thing. 5.5 hours of runtime, 10,000 RPM, metal housing. Oh, kills 99.9% of bacteria. Get this open. Pretty much you're getting the same thing. Sticker, pamphlet, carrying case, charging cable. The only difference is with this is it's the single foil. Nice sleek design. I like this because if you've used single foils before, this is like in the middle of weight-wise of a regular single foil and then a double foil. But this is very nice. But again, same build, same power, same design. All right, so that is the new releases, new releases from Babyliss. Not much to put on it right now. Do they perform? Yes. I actually like the single foil better for the simple fact that it has the power of the double foil. It has a little weight to it, but it's able to do everything that the double foil can do in the sense of doing a bald head, getting everything clean, but also being able to get in small areas like a single foil shaver. You know what I'm saying? So I have been using both of these. But I have been using the single foil a lot more. Are these worth it when they drop? I think 100% yes, right? Only if nothing, even if you already have one of their foils or whatever, that's fine. This is the technology. This is the innovation. This is what's getting pushed forward, right? Small things that you didn't even think that you would need or even think about until it's given to you. You get what I'm saying? So once you clean this off, you spray it, you do all that stuff, and then you got the extra cleaning, the 3-minute UV lighting in the cap to get that done. If y'all can see, if you can see in there at all. But here we got the UVs and stuff. Oh man, this is nice. This isn't just nice. I like it. And it's automatic. It'll do for 3 minutes and then it'll cut off, right? So you see this has been closed for 3 minutes. It automatically cuts off and then boom. You get your cleaning, and then once you ready to go with another client, you're ready to go with another client. But that is the double foil, single foil, UV foil from Babyliss. Double foil $179, single foil $149. Use my discount code Reggie10. Save you some money when they drop April 1st. If you only need to get one, get the single foil because you will get that power with the uses of a single foil in the small areas up under the nose and around the back of around the beard and stuff like that. So I say get the single foil $149. Save you some money. Use my discount code. Dropping April 1st. Shout out to Babyliss for sending this to me and let me be able to be one of the first of the few to be able to give this a go. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the channel, dislike the videos. You know, it happens. Peace.